Hey guys, let's learn some more basic Python programs. First simple interest, second compound interest, third Armstrong of a number, fourth area of a circle. First simple interest. Let's start the ideally shell. Then click on file, new file, open it, and then type the program def simple underscore interest in parenthesis p comma t comma r. Then print in parenthesis in quotes the principal is comma p. Print in parenthesis the time period is comma t. Next print in parenthesis quotes the rate of interest is comma r. Then si is equal to in parenthesis p into t into r divided by 100. Print in parenthesis the simple interest is comma si. Return si. Then simple underscore interest in parenthesis 6 8 7. Then just save this file in the location simple interest dot py. Save and then run this file, run module. Here is the output, you can see. So next is second compound interest. File, new file, def compound underscore interest in parenthesis principal comma rate comma time. Then amount is equal to principal multiply in parenthesis power in that parenthesis 1 plus rate upon 100 comma time. Then ci is equal to amount minus principal. Then print in parenthesis in quotes compound interest is comma ci. Then compound underscore interest in parenthesis 10,000 10.25 comma 6. Just save this file and as a compound.py run module, you can see the output. Third Armstrong of a number, new file, you can see the program def power in parenthesis x comma y. If y is equal to 0, return 1. Then if y is percentage 2 is equal to 0, return power x comma y upon 20 into power in parenthesis x comma y upon 2, return x into power in parenthesis x comma y upon 2. Then next def order in parenthesis x n is equal to 0 while in parenthesis x exclamation is equal to 0 x is equal to x upon 10. Then return and def is Armstrong in parenthesis x n is equal to order in parenthesis x temp is equal to x sum 1 is equal to 0 while in parenthesis temp exclamation is equal to 0 r is equal to temp percentage 10 sum 1 is equal to sum 1 plus power in parenthesis r comma n. Then temp is equal to temp upon 10, return sum 1 is equal to x is equal to 150, print in parenthesis is Armstrong in parenthesis x. Then next x is equal to 1253, print in parenthesis is Armstrong and in parenthesis x. Then just save this file and give name .py as extension, save, run. Then you can see true and false for these numbers if it is Armstrong or not. Fourth area of a circle, file, new file, let's program def find area in parenthesis r pi is equal to 3.142 return pi into in parenthesis r into r semicolon print in parenthesis in quotes area of is %.6f percentage find area in parenthesis 7 semicolon. Just save this file. Make sure of the spaces during programming. Let's run this file. You can see the output. Area is 153.